The Faculty Weekly Schedule plugin can be installed by uploading a zip plugin file using the WordPress Plugins option. Before installing, go to Settings General and ensure that the time zone and date time formats have been correctly set. The date and time format can be taken from the Settings General page or can be overridden for each schedule. From the WordPress admin menu, choose Plugins and then Add New. Enter Faculty Weekly Schedule in the Search Plugins field. Choose Install Now for the Faculty Weekly Schedule plugin that should be the first result of the search. Once the plugin has been installed, use the Activate button to activate the plugin. Note that the plugin can be activated later by visiting the Installed Plugins page. If you have a file to upload, choose the Upload Plugin option. Use the Choose File button to select the file from the location where the file is stored. Select the Install Now button to begin the installation. Once the plugin has been installed, use the Activate Plugin button to activate the plugin. Note that the plugin can be activated later by visiting the Installed Plugins page. After plugin activation, the Weekly Schedules menu will be added to the WordPress dashboard. Options in this menu can be used to add weekly schedules. When viewing installed plugins, the Settings and Help page for the Faculty Weekly Schedules plugin can be directly accessed from the plugin row. Deactivating the plugin will leave any added settings and schedules as is, so that they are still available when reactivating the plugin. Deleting the plugin will delete all added settings and schedules. In a multi-site, deleting the plugin will delete all settings and schedules from every site in the multi-site.